Okay, finally I got this going. This is like take 3 here. I've been having terrible difficulties. Alright, it's me out here in the autumn garden. And it's cold enough out here today, guys. Here, let me hit this. Get you a little Brussels sprouts. It's November the 23rd here in Eastern Ontario. I got some Brussels sprouts that need to be harvested. Like when I'm seeing they're not growing anymore. It's been so cold that they're just not doing much of anything. But you can grow these things right into snow. We've had 0 degrees Celsius. They came back. The leaves are a little bit beaten up. But you can harvest these things right through the winter, really. In our area, anyway. I'm going to take you down over to the lettuce garden. The winter garden. So, small experiments. We got this. I don't really want to take it apart, but I have to because you need to see what's in here. Whoa. Alright. Now I've covered these things here with 2 polytarps that you can see here. You see my lettuce is a little bit roughed up from the cold. We got different things. Whoa. Lettuce, spinach, and other things. And obviously dandelion. We can see that. So that's what's been going on here. If I'm talking a little funny, it's because I'm kind of cold. So I've taken 1 tarp here. This is going over top like this. Same tarp. And what this does is it gives extra protection during cold spells, because we have minus 30 is not uncommon during the winter here. And oh, here we go. And that's that. Let's get that there like that. On top, and there you can see we're all put away for the winter, pretty much. All right, that was take 3 of your growing a winter garden. This is a hoop garden that I've made. All right, so it's, I'm gonna let you go for now. Maybe I'll just take a quick peek. You look at the state of the watermelon garden. And over here, you can see the state of the cantaloupe garden. And there's my kale. There's another really hardy crop that should have probably went in there, guys. But hey, whatever. Rob from the Winter Garden. Update coming in about a month. Thanks for stopping by, everyone.